If you need to access your Bluehost dashboard, manage your hosting, check your domains, or update your account settings, this video is going to walk you through the login process step by step. It's quick, simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your Bluehost Account Manager without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step website and hosting guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Bluehost website. You can type Bluehost into your search bar or go directly to their official site if you already have it saved. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login option. This is usually found near the top of the page and it's the button you'll need to access your account. Go ahead and click Log In. Next, Bluehost will take you to the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address or username that you used when you created your Bluehost account. Make sure you type it carefully because even a small typo can stop you from logging in. After that, enter your password in the password field. If you're using a private device, you may choose to save your login details in your browser, but if you're on a shared computer, it's better to keep your information private and not save it. Once your email or username and password are entered, click Login again to continue. Bluehost will now check your details and verify your account. In some cases, you may be prompted to complete an extra security verification step. This might include a code sent to your email or phone, or another confirmation method, depending on your account settings. If you see that prompt, just follow the on-screen instructions and complete the verification process. After that, you'll be taken directly to your Bluehost Account Manager. This is where you can manage everything in one place, including your websites, domains, hosting plans, email accounts, and general account settings. From here, you can continue setting up your site, check your billing, or make updates whenever you need to. So to quickly recap, go to the Bluehost website, click Login, enter your Bluehost email address or username, type your password, click. Log in again and complete any security verification if required. Then you'll be inside your Bluehost Account Manager and ready to manage your account. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.